We consider ourselves a scientific research collection. So our obligation is to provide individuals that are studying these insects with information, but certainly based on the mandate of this university, we do a tremendous amount of service work. And a lot of that is bringing school kids in for demonstrations. So this is material that we would use for different groups. Big insects, big showy insects, we use a lot for school children that come in. We put through about 1,500 school children through the collection each year. So elephant beetle, a Hercules beetle, large cockroaches, grasshoppers. And this stuff, obviously, the kids just love these large insects. We talk to them about the insects. What does this beetle do? What do these cockroaches do? What do these praying mantids do? And try to give them a little training in biology. We use a lot of showy types of materials if possible. These are all tropical butterflies from different places in the world. And here what we would try to do with the kids is tell them about the coloration, and they can look at this and they can see, oh, this blue and this yellow, but we try to explain to them how these colors would fit in nature. Why would this butterfly be that purplish blue color? What purpose would that serve? Or the green on this one, or the white and black appearance of this. And then we always end all of our presentations with some live insects or different types of arthropods. This is our resident black widow spider. But we always end with the cockroaches, and that usually sends the kids home pretty happy and enthused, so that I don't want to be the next group that has to deal with them. We do a lot of general service work. Everything from, they shipped a batch of apples to China. The Chinese inspected those apples and they found an insect. They are not going to release those apples into China until they know what that insect is. What they want to know is it from Washington? Is it from China? Is it an insect that can cause problems? Collections traditionally have interests. So for 100 years, the individuals that were in charge of this collection were fly people. We have one of the best fly collections in North America. Okay. When I took over, my basic interest is in flies. But because of the interests of 3 or 4 other people in the state, very good quality people, their interest was in moths. And we have a very expansive project to try to document moths in the Pacific Northwest. So that's myself, that's my colleague in the USDA, and that includes 2 or 3 what we would call amateur entomologists. So the working relationships that we can develop they just benefit the university, they benefit those individuals, and honestly, they benefit the people of the state, because we then can provide that much more information to people that need it.